स्वः त्वत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः त्वत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः त्वत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Good morning, everyone. Our today's assembly theme is positive approach towards life. So, to begin with, I would like to welcome our class in charge, Mrs. Rajni ma'am, to please enlighten the students with her golden words on this particular theme.
Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be. The future is not ours to see. Que sera, sera. So, let us shine every day and promise to live simply, expecting little, giving much more to everyone around us. So, never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will surely come. We need not visualize the whole staircase. All that we need is to just take the first step. So let's have a positive attitude towards life. In fact, perpetual optimism is a force multiplier, as virtually nothing is impossible in the world if you just put your mind and heart into it and maintain positive attitude. As success is our own shadow, don't ever try to catch it. Walk your way, it will automatically follow you. So remember, shadow follows you only when you walk towards brightness. With all our affable greetings, Class 2 Arts of D.A.V. Model School, Sector 15, Chandigarh, welcome you all in today's morning assembly.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Positive attitude makes you happier and more resilient. It improves your relationships and it even increases your chances of success in any endeavor. In addition to this, having a positive attitude makes you more creative and it can help you to make better decisions in life. So, good morning, everyone. I, Anmol Kamboj from grade 12th Arts A, will be your today's host of this virtual morning assembly. So, with the positive approach and keeping the morning spirit high, let's begin the morning assembly with thought of the day delivered by Arya.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today I, Arya Thakur, is going to speak a thought on the topic positive approach towards life. The thought is positive anything is better than negative nothing. I repeat my thought. Positive anything is better than negative nothing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arya, for such a thoughtful start to the morning assembly. The power of positive thinking is remarkable. In fact, the idea that your mind can change your world almost seems too good to be true. Optimists seem to have different ways of dealing with the world that set them apart from average. They keep their minds set on what they want and keep looking for the ways to get it. They are clear about goals and they are confident that they will accomplish their goals sooner or later. So, with the positive inclination towards her goals, here comes Nitika Bansal to deliver a speech on today's theme, Positive Approach Towards Life.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today, I, Nitika Bansal of class 12th, is here to present a speech on positive approach towards life. A positive attitude is not just about supporting that smile on your face every time. It is more than that. It is about maintaining that optimistic mindset and attitude even when things are in utter chaos. It is often said that what good or bad diet does to your body, positive and negative thoughts do the same to your mind. Feed your mind with positive thoughts and you will see amazing changes around you. When you start thinking optimistically, your mind becomes clear of any negative thoughts and you will see the world in a new light. You will stop blaming yourself or others. You will be in total control of your emotions and try to seek a valuable lesson in every setback you experience. A positive attitude is known to be linked with the feeling of happiness. Happiness is the state of mind, which comes from within and not dependent on external factors. When you think positively, you will be in harmony and feel happy. When you develop a positive attitude, you will start feeling better about yourself. You will treat yourself with more respect and love, and this in turn will boost your confidence levels and inner strength. People with a positive attitude are lively, energetic, and healthy. Positive thinking renders a positive effect on health as well. It lowers stress and improves your overall well-being. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nitika, for sharing your views with us today. Resolve from now to see your glass of life as half full rather than half empty. Happy people pay gratitude towards the many blessings in life rather than worrying or complaining about the things they do not have in. So here comes Akshita Sharma to recite a poem where she shares her views about optimism in life.
Good morning everyone. Today I Akshita Sharma of class 12th Arts D.A.V Model School Sector 15 Chandigarh is going to recite a poem on If I Can. If I can keep my eyes focused on what's ahead and allow what's behind me to simply be dead, then I will make it. If I can keep a firm grip on my present elements and wisely position my feet so that I always stand, then I will make it. If I can accept that rocky grounds and steep climbs are necessary obstacles to conquer with patience and time, then I will make it. I can muster my strength to keep pressing on, especially in the times when it seems I am being baked by the sun, then I will make it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Akshita, for sharing this poem and adding a poetic bliss to our today's morning assembly. So now I would like to welcome Shipra Sharma to enrich our today's morning with some basic and important news headlines.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Shipra Sharma of class 12th Arts, is going to present news. World news. Moderna vaccine approved in UK to fight coronavirus. Oxford AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine providing immune response in young and old people. Oxford COVID-19 vaccine doing everything expected, showing strong immune response. UK to test coronavirus vaccine delivery through inhalers. Coronavirus likely to vanish in less time than Spanish flu. National news. Congress leader Bharat Singh Solanki recovers from COVID-19 after 101 days. Coronavirus recoveries in India is close to 65%. 6 lakh villages to be connected with optical fiber network for high-speed internet. Adequate oxygen supply for 10 days, UT tells. Panchkula to add 105 more oxygen beds. Monitoring oxygen availability, no reason to panic. FIRs against 45 for violation of COVID guidelines in Mohali. Chandigarh Airport donates 5 ambulances to government hospitals. Vaccines for all above 18 from May 1. Permanent Lok Adalat start functioning at district courts. Temperature. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius. Mainly clear sky. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shipra, for enriching our today's morning. After all the information provided to you in today's morning assembly regarding positive approach towards life, you might be thinking that it is easier said than done. Yes, my friend, you are right here. It is hard to bring positivity in life, but you need to understand and learn that it is never impossible to bring positivity in life. To focus on the positive requires knowing how to stop negative self talk in its tracks. The more you ruminate on negative thoughts, the more power you give them. Most of our negative thoughts are just thoughts and not the facts. So concentrate on positive things coming in your life. So, here, with a positive note, thinking about the best things we can do to improve our today and tomorrow, we end our morning assembly. Thank you for being with us throughout the assembly.